Yo people, here we are again. So today is going to be something really simple. As you can see, I have some of the shift rod linkage pulled apart. I'm installing a quick shifter and the rod that I have is not long enough, so I'm sitting here waiting, and I figure I'll address another something that happened to me before. Here is how the shift rod links up to the actual shifter back here. It's a cable holder, so don't mind that. That's gonna hold the quick shifter cable back, going back into this rear seat. Anyways, I have a feeling that the reason why I've had some issues, and I'll put a video link of shifting into neutral and downshifting on this bike, is probably because well, one, I'm not the best at, I'm not a pro. Second, I think there's a lot of play in the shift rod here, and when I apply force, let me pull this off. There's a lot of room for, I mean, it just sticks out so far, right? Just protrudes so far out. I mean, all the moment that I'm putting on, or the force I'm putting in here, is right there, which means then you have this other lever arm, and it's kind of probably bending that shaft every time I'm shifting. Instead of getting there, so I've got a little spacer or a protector for this rod here, and there's two different setups. I'm gonna put them on and see how they fit. One design has a bearing in it, which I think is probably the best thing to do. The other design does not, but I don't even know if it will fit in here, so let's try it out. Alright, let's go at it. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pull this off, which looks like a holder. Alright. And both of these are just bullshit ones from Amazon. I didn't see a place for this to mount. I kind of like this one better because, I mean, there's two mounting points, right? So as you have a lever arm, it's probably easier to support. So let's see how it fits in here. Oh. Well, that already tells me that this is not the right size. So I'll be returning this one. Unless it's a press fit, but I don't want that. That ain't gonna work. So let's look at the other one. Does fit in there. So it kind of just supports that shaft a little bit longer. It does have a bearing built in there, so looks like that's the one that's gonna go on there. Just want to make sure it fits with my linkage. Yep, still have room for the linkage in there. And hopefully that keeps you from getting stuck in certain gears. So let's put that on, but always lube it up before you stick it in. Using some synthetic blend grease. Just lightly greasing that shaft there. Get the best. Alright. So here we go. There you go, nice press fit. I mean, I don't know why Honda just didn't make this longer, right? You'd figure that they would do that, but whatevs. Give this baby some Loctite, because I don't want that coming off. I mean, I looked everywhere for like a well done bearing support, and I couldn't find anything. So I'm taking a chance on these Chinese knockoffs, and I'll put the links for both of them. And just so you guys know, the second one does not fit a 2017. So don't get that one if you have a 2017. Wrong shaft size. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do with this tubing here. Gotta be supported better. Alright. Alright, that's not going anywhere now. And hopefully a little bit more support. So, awesome. Alright. If any Honda engineers are looking, extend this shaft housing, man.